ay ang Snowreen. Yes, Anthony Jennings and Marissa Cap, you are now together again sa isang project. So, can you tell us about your feelings nung natanggap niyo yung news na magiging part kayo together ulit sa isang project, you know, coming from the success you get by Me Love?
Well, noong una parang binasa mo na yung script, tapos nung nakita ko na parang, okay, medyo may glimpse pa rin ng pagka-Snowreen. Hindi naman sobra, pero doon pa rin yung fun. So parang, sabi ko makaka-work ulit si Marissa. Alam ko naman na masarap katama si Marissa. But yung mga eksena namin talagang pumapatong-patong kasi dami namin naiisip talaga na pwede kong matutong lines na to, tapos sabayan mo ng ganito, yung mga gano'n. So parang laging nagbibigay ako palagi sa eksena. Happy ako maka-work ulit si Marissa.
Ako, super happy ako na maka-work ulit si Anthony. And, nung nalaman namin na action yung gagawin namin, as in sobrang excited talaga kami. Well, ako, may pressure kasi hindi pa ako talaga nakasabak ng action talaga.
Ever?
Siguro yung action lang na nagawa ko na dapa, ganyan. Pero, mga ganon. Pero dito talaga may intense training. And then, happy kami kasi yung mga scenes na nagawa namin so far, funny. Nakakaaliw ulit. Kami na naman magbibigay ng happiness. And yeah, excited na makasama ko ulit. Yeah.
Nakita nga rin namin sa trailer, yung may konting kilig parts sa ganun.
Yes. Sweet. Teaser lang yan.
Teaser lang. Ano pa kaya yung mangyayari, diba? But congratulations on this project. Yes, okay. Now, let's go to our last two questions. And this is coming from Alex Brosas of Daily Tribune. And this is for everyone. Kung sino man po gustong sumagot. What is exceptional about the show na nagpa-accept sa inyo or to make you accepted? And also, medyo connected na rin doon, idikit na natin from Jimpy Anarcon of the Rewind channel. Out of all the projects that you've done in the past, what makes Incognito different? So bakit nyo tinanggap and what makes this different from other projects? Who would like to answer first? Mr. Baron Geisler?
Yeah, for me it's very new to me to really open my heart sa cast, sa crew. Everybody na mula sa writer, director, and because of this show, mas maiyak mas nakakuha ko yung mga kasama ko, hinihila nila ako pataas paakyat. And they're really, like kay Direct Lester, the entire team ng Star Creatives, nung meeting nila over this show, they said, Baron, you know, we just want to help you straighten out your life, and we're here to support you. Tapos, bonus pa yung nagtutulungan kami, may relationship talaga kami sa isa't isa. Like nung I flew to Japan to shoot a movie, message sa akin si DJ, oh pare, ilipad ka, huwag ka magalan dyan ha. That really meant a lot to me, di ba? So nakita ko na, sobrang laki rin ng changes ni DJ, mature na rin siya. And then si Kuya Ian naman, is my mentor, big brother. Kapag may mga questions ako about life, napaka-deep ni Kuya Ian. Kasi sa age, di ba, wisdom eh. Punong-puno na wisdom. Space bro, pareho tayo, dito, medyo may edad. Tapos, yun lang. For me, I just want to continue doing my best, giving my all, to be a dependable actor, and to just open my heart sa hindi lang sa show na to kasi nadadala ko yung good attitude, manners, behavior sa iba pang mga nakakasama kong production. So I really am grateful sa Star Creatives, ABS-CBN, and Direk Lester, everyone. I love you guys, sa buong cast. I love you.
Oma. Parang iyak na.
Oh my, ibang-iba talaga. Yes, ibang-iba yung project na to. That's what makes it different for Mr. Barangayster. Yung love talaga, even beyond work, di ba? Andun yung care and andun yung
Basketball
support.
nga, di ba? We play basketball nga.
Yes.
Between shoots.
Gusto ko lang
May accountability. May accountability kami sa inyo. Kasi that's what I mean.
Thank you, Baron. Appreciate it. I'm sure everyone will, remember those words coming from the heart.
Right. Who would like to answer next? Kung bakit niyo po tinanggap ang project na to and what makes it different from your past projects? Maurice?
Well, I think naman all of us, we all feel so lucky to be part of the show. Kasi nung nalaman namin, meeting kami, nung nalaman namin na maging part na kami, it's super exciting kasi this production, even nung pagkasabi ni Direk Lester, they all want to reach something for action here sa Philippines. And sobrang happy kami, naging part kami nito kasi gusto talaga nila mag-break ng boundaries lahat. Marami silang gustong i-achieve. So yeah, daming excited. First time namin magawa, super ganda ng pagkagawa ng mga stunts, ng actions, ng scenes, ng costumes, everything, mga guns, super ganda ng lahat. And ang ganda din ng story kasi somehow nagme-mirror siya of what's really happening in the country and all over the world. Maraming mga issues na i-resolve, maraming mga may ilahat sa mga manonood. So, yung mga nangyayari in real life. Yung mga sad na nangyayari. So yeah, parang it's action-packed but it's also full of heart, the show.
Yes. Tsaka parang may social relevance akong nakakuha dun sa answer niya. And ang ganda na may goal pala, no? To elevate the quality of action dramas here in the Philippines. And trailer pa lang, kitang-kita na natin yon. Andun na talaga. Yes. So, supportahan po natin January po yan, mga kapamilya. Okay. Who else would like to answer po?
Maybe si Kyla. She's like sitting there. Yes.
Yeah, well, for me personally, it's my first time doing something of the action genre, and it's also something that I've always wanted to do. So when I heard about it, and when I heard that I was going to be a part of it, I was really very excited, and at the same time nervous. And syempre, I still feel quite nervous because it hasn't aired yet, and syempre, we all wanted to be successful. We all wanted to do well because we've put so much of ourselves into the show. And we have a lot of faith because we know what we've put into it, and we're also very excited for everybody to see it. So yeah, personally for me, it was a lot. It was such an exciting project to take on, and finally, I'm doing something that I really wanted to do for a long time. And sobrang saya ko because sobrang saya ng tapings namin, honestly, because we're all together. We all have so much fun with each other, not just us as a cast, but even with the crew. So it's such a joy to go to taping every day, to see each other every lock-in cycle, and to spend time with each other. So it's really, though it can be physically exhausting at times, but yeah, it makes it so much more fun, and it's such a joy to wake up every day and see each other kasi ang ganda ng friendship na nabuo namin as a cast. And I'm so excited for people to see that and for it to reflect on screen as well.
Galing. First time din pala niya at matagal niya hinintay yung ganitong project. So like Maurice, it's your first time also, Kai, ng action. Ikaw, Anthony.
Ako, first, nag-ironheart na pala ako. Pero hindi masyadong maraming action sa ironheart kasi ng time na yun. Pero ito yung first project na parang, yun nga, sabi ni Tito, yung pinakamalaking project na nabutan niya sa sobrang tagal niya na sa industriya. So parang ako na bago malaki na sorry. Tapos parang, ayun nga, sobrang excited lang din kasi ako kasi simula ng training pa lang, nakikita ko na agad yung kalalabasan. Parang nakikita mo na yung mangyayari rin sa show. So parang, ayun, mas nalaman ko pa yung mga cast na kasama ko, sila Tito E, sila Richard Colette, mga para akong action stars talaga. So parang, Pero paano mo sasabay sa mga wala ako ng training, papalaki ako ng katawan.
Paano yung preparation?
Papa-abs ako.
Papa-abs ka na?
Papa-abs ako. Next year.
Wait, next year, 1 month na lang yun ah.
Pagtapos na yung show. Pero yun nga, yeah, sobrang different yung project na yun. Sobrang nakakita talaga. Excited lang ako na makapunta pa sa mga ibang lugar, gano'n, sa akin. And ayun, excited pa ako sa mga training kasi kahit ngayon naman ongoing pa rin yung mga trainings namin. So parang everyday learning pa rin siya para sa amin. And ayun, excited lang ako na lumabas yung issue. Ayun, sana ma-enjoy yung show. Kita-kita tayo.
Wait, so tingin ko lang yun kasi sabi mo nga excited kang makapunta pa sa iba-ibang places, gano'n. Saan ka pinaka nag-enjoy so far? Dun sa mga napuntahan mo na?
Actually, yung Palawan, first time ko kasi pumunta ng Palawan. So parang yun. Yung Italy rin naman, pero syempre, yung Palawan, nakita ko si Kyla maging blue dun. Maging blue, so sobrang pagod niya kasi mainit yung time na yun.
Wait lang, paano naging blue si Kai? Parang may kwento behind this.
Muntik na siyang Pero sa, di ba? Nakita ko yung pagod, yung exhaust ng lahat. Basang-basa na yung mga damit namin. Ang babaw na nga namin, pag-go. So ayan, ang saya ng sobrang fun ng show. So pati yung boat ride pala namin papunta sa location. Yung para sa
Kwento mo lang lahat sabi ni TJ,
Kwento ko na lahat. Ayun lang po, thank you.
So dahil po dyan, may separate interview po tayo kay Anthony Jennings after this. Opo, wag po kayong aalis.
Punta ka sa season 2, baka malaki na yung katawan mo.
Iaabangan namin yung pa-abs ni Anthony Jennings. And now let's go to Papa E. Na kanina parang hindi nila alam pinupuli mo ba siya or parang Jape, hindi natin alam. So Papa E, kayo po.
Ako naman, some of you would know I've been doing action movies since the 90s. Sige na, Anthony. I've done a lot of action movies before, and I've worked with Direk Lester. I believe in his vision. And kung hindi nyo na itatanong si Direk Lester is a world champion sa Wushu. So he's really into martial arts and he knows his stuff. And that's why he has a pool of stuntmen also who are well trained. So ibang level talaga. And I've worked with them, Direk Lester and Chard also sa last show, di ba? Sa Ironheart. And then it's always challenging to kasi gusto ni Direk Lester lagi i-elevate yung kayang gawin. And I believe in his vision kasi ultimately si Direk Lester gusto niyang hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas pero gusto niya ipakita sa foreign market na yung mga Pilipino kaya namin sumabay. Gusto namin gumawa ng ganito quality and he wants to open doors for all of us. Kasi nga dito sa Philippines napakaraming magagaling na writers, directors, actors, and sanay tayo sa industriya kasi mahilig tayo sa pelikula at sa TV. And yun lang, laki nang nagiging problema naman yung resources natin. So hopefully, pag sinuwerte, it might open doors and we'll have more resources because ako din, I believe in the Filipino talent talaga. So, yes!
Talagang yun yung hinahangad din natin lahat Bukod dun sa pagpapasaya ng ating mga kapamilya, yung meron pang higher purpose, di ba? Itong mga ginagawa natin. And that is to elevate the Filipino talent, to showcase ang ating kakayahan sa buong mundo. And we hope to do this through Incognito na again sa January na po natin mapapanood. Maraming salamat po, Sir Ian.
Palagpakan natin yung cast and the great heads.
And now, let's hear from, you mentioned resources. Sir Richard Gutierrez, alam ko nung The Ironheart din, nakuwento nyo rin sa media ko na talagang tumutulong din kayo behind the scenes, production side of things also, sa Cebu, gano'n. So, kayo po ano pong masasabi nyo dito sa project, Sir Richard, and what makes this different, and also yung kung ano po yung gusto nyo i-share sa lahat po about Incognito?
Dami ng tanong, hindi ko lang sa nagsasabi. Ano muna?
The pressure is real.
Nakakatakot na. Follow-up eh. Well, nung binubuo pa lang yung Incognito, exciting na agad siya. Kasi from the very beginning, we wanted na ensemble cast, group of artists. And we are blessed na nabuo namin itong grupong ito. Sa Ironheart pa lang, we wanted to elevate the action na. And I think we somewhat succeeded with Ironheart. But this time around, we want to elevate even more. Kaya pa namin i-push it. With the right timing, right budget, and location, and creativity, kaya pa. So, nabigyan kami ng opportunity dito sa Incognito. And I think isa rin sa mga magagandang aspects nitong Incognito is we will be showcasing different locations. Ang gaganda ng mga locations namin dito talagang kaabang-abang, both the Philippines and internationally. Makikita niyo yung sa show. And yun, it's been a dream project of mine actually, this kind of concept. Matagal ko nang ni-research yung ganitong klaseng concept about private military contractors. I've been a fan of this concept. I've been reading books through the years about this, and finally, isa ko ito sa mga considered kong dream projects ko. I've been wanting to do something like this for a long time, and finally it's here. Gusto kong pasalamatan ng ABS-CBN for giving us the opportunity to create a project like this na you know, sana ma-enjoy ng mga audience natin worldwide. Dahil talagang markang Pilipino ito, and talagang pinaghandaan at pinaganda para sa audience natin. And it's a new flavor of action. May enjoy niyo ito.
Veteran, right? And he's done so many movies. Actually, a random question. How many movies or TV series have you actually done?
Siguro kalahati nung nagawa ni Gwen.
Bunot po si Mr. Nieve na kasyon today. Birthday. Yes. Okay, and last but not least, of course, Mr. Daniel Padilla. Would you like to hear the question again? What made you accept the show, and what makes it different?
Yan, yung unang binanggit sa akin yung kwento nila direct. So, para kung nagkaroon ng interest, yun nga yung private military contractor. Kasi ayos na. Tapos nabanggit pa kung sino mga kasama. Ha? Tapos kinumbinsi ako na dito iyan. Tinawagan niya ako. Tapos siya din. Na-excite din ako. Parang ibang timpla na rin. Ano? At ngayon nga, yung binabanggit nila na elevation, parang gusto ko maging parte nun. Di ba? Iba rin yung mga apoy sa mata ni Direk Lester na binabanggit sa akin yung kwento at yung pupuntahan ng big ng show namin. So sabi ko, yeah, gusto ko maging parte nito. You know? So, thanks guys. Happy to be a part of this. Thank you.
Thank you, Daniel.
Actually, after Ironheart,
Richard.
Nagkukwento na ako after Ironheart. Nagkasama kami ni Daniel sa isang gathering party. Tapos, kinausap ko siya na sana gumawa tayo ng action. Sabi ko, bagay siya mag-action, dapat gumawa tayo ng action. And then after a few months, boom, ito na nangyari na Incognito. So, parang it's meant to happen.
Na-manifest pala ni Mr. Richard Gutierrez. Sabay-sabay tayo. Response, salamat Richard Gutierrez. Salamat Richard Gutierrez! Yun pala sa party.
Amazing. Thank you for your questions. The questions and mostly the answers.